In this video, I teach you 25 different ways to say father in Jamaican Patois. So if that's something you might be interested in, please keep watching.
Come let me teach you Patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. So Father's Day is this weekend, and I thought it would be a great idea to teach you some ways we say father in Jamaican Patois, or how we refer to our fathers in Jamaican Patois. Before I get into my list, I would like to wish a happy Father's Day to my father and to all the amazing fathers out there. Whether you are a biological father, a stepfather, an adopted father, a foster father, or a father figure, continue to do the amazing job that you are doing because your presence is really appreciated. And for children who have lost fathers, and for fathers who have lost children, I'm sending a whole lot of love and good vibes your way. To say Happy Father's Day in Jamaican Patois, it would sound something like Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day. Or we would just say it in English, Happy Father's Day. Now, let's get into this list. How to say father, how to call your father, or how to refer to your father in Jamaican Patois. Father, General, Dad, Idan, Dads, Igad, Dada, Brogad, Daddy, Bredaman, Daddy, Breda, Pops, Ibas, Government, Breda, Paps, Papa, Pupa, Papi, Old Man, Big Man. You can also say their names. So for example, if your father's name is John, you can say Mas John, Missa John, or by their names like John. Now, these are the ways that I could think of to make this video. What did I miss? What do you call your father? Please leave your answers in the comment section below. And please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.